When working with loops, there are several keywords we can use with loops to help control the flow of them. Two useful ones are the break and continue keywords. Let's start by having a look at the break keyword. In a new Dynamo file, go ahead and place a new Python script, and then open it up. Break simply exits a loop at any point. For example, let's create a loop which executes until it reaches 15. We'll do this by utilizing the break keyword. Start by creating a var variable which equals 0 and an empty list called output. Then let's create a new while loop with the condition var less than or equal to 20. Inside of the while loop, let's simply append var. Then let's create a statement within this loop to check if var is 15. And if so, we'll utilize this keyword break. And then outside of this if statement, increment var by 1. So what this while loop will do is continue to execute while var is less than or equal to 20. However, if var equals 15, it will break the loop or stop it. So let's output the output list to see what we have. Perfect. You can see that the loop has ended after the variable has been updated to 15. Next, let's have a look at the continue keyword. The continue keyword will simply skip over any remaining instruction in a current loop. For example, say we wanted to skip over a loop if the variable equaled a specific number, such as 15. To do this, let's copy what we did with the break statement and reassign var and the output lists to clear them. And then inside of the if statement, instead of break, let's replace this with var equals var plus 1 and then continue. And let's cut this output.append line and place it after the if statement. So what this is doing is executing a while loop while var is less than or equal to 20. If var equals 15, it will increment the var variable and then continue. Continue means the remaining lines won't be executed in the while loop, which is why we have to increment var before we continue, or it will get stuck at 15. So let's run this to see what we get. Great, so you can see between 14 and 16, when var equaled 15, it skipped over the code which appended it to the output variable, which is why we don't have it in our output list. Keywords can be used exactly the same way when using for loops as well. These can be very useful for controlling the flow of different loops.